Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find Instagram users location. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Once you have logged in to that, head over to any account you want. Suppose searching for this account and go to the three dots icon and then go to about this account, and there goes the details of that account, when they joined, and their following usernames. And if the account is private, you can't see that, and if that account is a verified account, then you can know if that account where that account is from. So go to about that account, and here, as you can see, the account is based in a point where it is not shared, but in some places it might be shared. Like if we go to like this one, Fenty Beauty, go to the three dots about this account, and as you can see, the account is based in United States. So this is how you can know the user's location from the about. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.